In other news, Augustown, the St. Andrew community that recorded 0 murders at the end of 2016, has seen a significant increase in murders for 2017. The police say 12 people were killed in the community this year, which has left stakeholders, including political representatives, disappointed. TVJ's Vashon Brown picks up the story.
When 2016 ended, there was celebration in Augustown, St. Andrew. After years of bloodletting, the community did not record a single murder last year. The community recorded its first murder for 2017 in January, when a man was shot dead, leading to frantic efforts to restore the peace. Now, with just 2 days before the end of 2017, the police say 12 people were killed in Augustown. A few of the murders were domestic related, but the police say the majority were gang related.
For this year, we have had a lot of persons who returned from prison. Some of them were given orders not to return to Augustown, but they still. So we know that form part of the increase that we have seen. We have persons, we have 2 gangs that are very active right now, Jungle 12 and the Hermitage gang. And they are both gangs are importing persons.
Superintendent Kessler points out that there were a number of instances in recent weeks where the gunmen challenged the cops. The residents are tight-lipped about the current wave of violence in the community, but political representatives are disappointed.
The truth is that there comes a point when you have to face reality, and you have to know when what will work. And so I believe we're at that place where the police just have to, use whatever methods are available to them to deal with some of these guys who are just hell-bent on breaking a community that really is desirous of, doing well.
The end of 2017 now, there's been, a few steps back on that regard, which is disappointing. But as you can see, we're here again. The work continues in terms of the peace building. We continue to encourage persons to participate in what's going on in the community, to take ownership of the community.
Kenneth Wilson is the founder of the Augustown Peace Builders and program director of the Sizzler Youth Foundation. He too is disappointed, especially given the high the community was experiencing at the end of last year.
One of the weaknesses this year, the celebration went overboard. And as a result of that, a lot of things that we normally did, it was slapped off. The meetings, we didn't have many of those meetings this year.
Mr. Wilson says the plan is to, among other things, have a series of community meetings in January to resolve the issues leading to the violence. In the meantime, the police say they have already conducted several operations in the community.
The way forward is sustain more operations, meaningful operations. However, there is the likelihood of confrontation based on what we are hearing. So therefore, we are putting everything in place to ensure that we don't have a violent confrontation.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.